1 year ago, Alpha Foundations merged with Groundworks to reach a new level and have uncapped opportunities. This is our story. Merge Day was really exciting because we got to share the news with everyone.
It was big news, but extremely exciting just knowing that how much growth potential we had.
Uncapped opportunity really did fulfill his expectations. It allowed for someone like me coming from a position entry level to hopefully being a manager.
This year we've promoted nearly 30 people into management and leadership positions within the state of Florida.
When they came down here and they said, you're a general manager, you're a leader, I doubted myself. But with the tools and the backing that they've had, they made me learn about myself.
Groundworks is invested in the teammates individually, making sure they have every key to succeed.
I've grown so much this past year. I mean, it's so hard to just put into a 30-second clip, honestly.
You're not stuck in a rut. You can always move up. If you want to move up, it's your choice.
The training that Groundworks provides is very thorough.
The biggest impact it's had on me came through the production manager training.
And a lot of the general managers, sales managers, production managers have been to 3 or 4 trainings already this year.
So FTX was one of the most compelling leadership programs I've ever been a part of. You really take a lot out, not only at work, but in your personal life as well.
We've had a great year down here in Miami. We're on pace to grow 23% year over year in our sales revenue.
Last year we were about a $10 million branch here in Orlando. This year we're on pace to do about $21 million here.
In Fort Myers, we had 17% year-over-year growth.
We had 4 foremen install over $2 million in the first 3 quarters of this year.
And it's just the beginning. I was just inside and they're talking about expanding more, larger territory.
At the end of 2022, we moved into Tampa. That was an unmarked territory for us, and we're excited to be there.
I'm a whole lot further along in life than I expected to be at 22. The opportunity that I have with Groundworks to turn this into a career instead of just another job is amazing for me.
Groundworks is giving people the opportunity not just to feel better, but to do better and to bring home better, and again, creating opportunities that just weren't there before.
This year, the foundation of our company was strengthened. Our people had uncapped opportunities to grow, and our future looks better than ever before.